Hey, what is up everybody? I thought I would give you a 4-month update on this official iPhone 14 Pro leather case. Last time I updated you was at the 2-month mark. It's actually going on 5 months here pretty quickly. I'll say about maybe 4.5 months. Been getting some questions about how the case is holding up, so I thought I would let you know. Now, in the month of December, I did also use quite a bit the silicone case in red, but this has mostly been my daily driving case for at least 4 months now. About half the month of December maybe I used that red silicone case. So here it is. It looks just about the same as it did at 2 months. There is not much patina that develops on this case, as I mentioned in my 2-month review. Now, I did drop this in the case one time on a hardwood floor from about waist high, and this is the damage that it took. Should be able to see here with the autofocus. Those are the two corners that had a little bit of damage. Zero damage to the phone, thankfully, and no damage anywhere else in any other corner. You see a little bit of brown there on the side. That's just the, I guess you could say, slightest of patina effects. So let's take a look at the back here. As you see, pretty much the same color as the day I got it. A little bit slicker. Of course, the oils of your hands interacting with that leather. Maybe some slight texturing as well, but very much the same color. Let's take a look at the top here, and you can compare from my unboxing video and my 2-month review if you want exact details of how this aged, but I can tell you that it is barely aged at all. You see one of the corners that made contact with that hardwood floor when I dropped the phone. Again, no damage to the phone. It's hard to keep the dust away, and it's especially visible in this black color. And then let's take a look at this side here. So from the front, I can tell you that the only place that I really see aging is in some of the edges. Now, I told you that in the 2-month review as well. This is not the result of any drops or anything. This is just how the case ages, and this is how patina is supposed to look. But I'm only getting it at the edges of the phone, not on the back or the sides. So there you see how that looks. You can see it on this side as well. So the aging on the edges is pretty uniform. I don't think people are going to really notice it unless they're looking closely at your phone, but the case looks great overall. If you do want a patina effect, I guess you wouldn't call it great. You'd rather that it looks a little bit more aged than this. But here is how the case looks after 4 months. That's about it, guys. If you have any questions about it, let me know. If you're thinking of picking up this case, this is how it ages. I don't think it's going to look too different at the 6-month mark either, or the 8-month mark for that matter. Again, the biggest blemishes you can see on here is just where the phone made contact with the ground when it dropped. So here it is, 4-month mark, iPhone 14 Pro official leather case. It is about time for the Samsung Galaxy S23 series to be launched. I will definitely be getting at least one of them in here, so subscribe if you're interested in that. Otherwise, appreciate you watching. I'll catch you all in the next one. This video is sponsored by Best No Copyright Music. I'm often asked where it is I get the music that I include in my videos. The answer to that question is Best No Copyright Music. Whether you need music for your own creative needs, your own videos, or you just want to vibe out to some of the best tunes on the web, Best No Copyright Music. Link to their channel is in the description.